Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am visiting a community built by Ryan Homes called Ryan Homes at Dillon Lake. This community, it's in its newest phase, meaning literally things are completely new here. Starting price here for this home right behind me is $280,000, and guys, this home here is roughly about that 2,100, almost 2,200 square foot, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's a 2-car garage, and it has, no, it's not a 3-bedroom, excuse me, it is a 4-bedroom home, 2.5 garage, a loft area, a flex area, and also it is a 2-story home. So why don't you come along with me? Let's check it out together. Hi, welcome to this beautiful home. Okay, so immediately we walk through here. This would be where the 2-car garage would enter, but we're gonna go straight ahead here. And here is some storage spaces. Another storage space. And then we walk into our kitchen area. I love the setup of this downstairs area here just because it feels so open. I love how long the center island is. Look at this, you can literally house about 4 bar stools here, which is awesome. So it kind of gives you that vision of how big this area is. And I love the white cabinets here, and then the laminate flooring going throughout the whole home. And this table, just everything here, guys, is just lovely here. And then this is like pantry space. And I like how much natural light gets in here because there's like a window. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 windows and a door there with a blind. So I absolutely love that. So we're gonna transition over here. As you can see, this is a living space area. You can get really creative here. I think what I would probably do is mount the TV on the wall to kind of free this area. And then over here is our flex space I was telling you about. So this, I would use it exactly as is pictured here, as an office space, just because why not, right? You can sit out there, you can look out the window here and enjoy life. So now let's go upstairs and check out the 4 bedrooms, the 2 bathrooms, and the loft area. Okay, so immediately we come up here, we come up to the loft area. But first, there is a closet space here. I would probably use this as one of my linen closets if you want to check it out. And then the loft area here, I think I would set it up just as so, with the TV here, just chilling, relaxing, maybe watching the evening news with your family. Who knows? Okay, so let's head on down the hallway here. As I've mentioned before in my previous videos, Ryan Homes does come, you know, when you purchase a Ryan home, it does come with your washer and dryer. And over here to our left is one of the first bedrooms we're going to look at. So this is a very decent size bedroom in my opinion. I think you can even get away with a queen size bed in here as well. And over here, very lovely closet space. All right. And then we're just gonna go straight across here to your 2nd bedroom, and it's about the same. I think you can also get away with a queen size here as well. Look at the little penguins. How cute. Look at this water bottle. How cute is that? And then, oh, lovely closet space. Very spacious closet. I love it. Okay. And then here is our first full bathroom here. I do love that it has double vanity sinks, and I love the white cabinet. Once again, it just makes it feel that much more open. This is just a regular shower. So let's go check out the rest of it. To our left here, your fourth bedroom, not fourth, the third bedroom here. So this is the third bedroom here. I like it. It's really nice and cute. You can definitely play around with the concept of this room, but it's very spacious in my opinion. And ooh, very nice closet space. So guys, as I mentioned, this home here has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and as you can see, it is very spacious. So that's great for $280,000. It's a steal, to be honest with you, for this area. And then now we are transitioning to our owner suite here. And first of all, this bed makes me want to just take a nap, but we're not. So over here, it looks like they have 2 closets. Wow. So this first walk-in closet could be a room of its own, to be completely honest with you, because it goes all the way to there and then it kind of comes around here. So if this was my home, I know I have more than enough storage space in here, or I should say closet space. And then here's yet again another closet. Wow. I'm actually in love with the way this is. I love closets because I have a lot of clothes. All right, so let's go check out the owner suite bathroom. Okay, so this bathroom here, again, I really love it. Does this open? Ooh, so lots of drawer spaces here. How neat is that? Double vanity sinks, and of course, a walk-in glass shower. So there you have it, guys. What did you think of this lovely, beautiful home? So this home here, as I mentioned, it's in its newest phase, literally the first home here in this community. So if you're interested, I want you to give me a call right now. Ryan Home has some of the best incentives for first-time home buyers or repeat buyers. So if you're interested in this community is literally just a few minutes from uptown Charlotte, and I would love for you to give me a call or send me an email. You can find me on my social medias at Victoria B. Ayo Realtor. That will be on Facebook and Instagram, and feel free to visit my website at victoriaayo.costellorei.com. See you in the next video.